Well, we got our first fire of the season, courtesy of my honey. Nice fire. Love that crackling sound.